In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade Forex on XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and once inside the platform, I want you to hover on the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Trades and go to the Market Watch section. Now, here you have multiple subsections. The favorite, hot, SEN, and FX means Forex. If you click on it, it would give you all these symbols that you can choose. You can choose from any of the following according to your preference. Let's say we choose Euro to USD, which is going to be one of the most traded pairs in the world. If you click on it, the pair will open up to the chart. Now, analyze the chart. Right here, you can change time frames, add indicators like moving averages, and draw trending lines. All I have to do now at this section is, if you think the price will go up, I want you to place a buy section. Alright, so put a specific amount here. And if you think the price will go down, you might want to add in a sell trade. It's up to you. Okay? Matter of fact, if you right click on the Euro to USD, it will give you multiple options. You can set a stop loss to limit risk. You can open a ticket or open the chart. Okay? We double click on it, it will give you two order types. Number one is going to be the market order and the stop limit order. For the market order, this is the highly suggested for beginners because all I have to do is put in a specific volume here, for example 69, and the contract value as well as the margin has changed. You can add again a stop loss and a take profit, and then click the buy button. And then if you want to go to the stop limit order section, you can do that as well. From here, you can simply close the trade anytime by clicking the close button. If price hits your stop loss or take profit, that trade will close automatically. So make sure you fully understand how leverage works before trading live. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade Forex on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.